Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab. Welcome to my channel, and I have a few things to talk to y'all about this evening. First and foremost, I wanted to tell you about another creator. If you don't know already, Lynn has announced on her channel that she has cancer, and she is asking for cards. And I will put her channel below so you can find her if you don't know her yet. Alice is a beautiful lady, and she does beautiful get ready with me's, and she does different collabs where they do all kinds of fun makeup. And she does Mask Mondays, and she does Mask Mondays with a group of ladies, and they call themselves Beauty Ninjas. So they are also Mask Monday ladies, Mask Monday friends, but they also do hashtag Beauty Ninjas. And a couple of those ladies with Alice is Just Jessica and Beauty and More with Renee. And those ladies, what they do some hauls and unboxings as well as get ready with me's. And like I said, they collab together a lot, and they do different get ready with me's. And they're beautiful ladies, and I'll put all of them below. Any channel I mention, I'll put below. But now Alice Lynn, her channel is Alice Lynn Beauty and More. And I've known Alice a good while, probably since I've started my channel or sometime soon after that. And she's just a really down-to-earth lady, and she they caught it early, so this is good. She wants to kick cancer's butt, and to help her through, she would love to receive cards from everywhere around the world, wherever. Y'all, I will put her address below, but if you go to her channel, you'll see the last couple of videos that she's made. She talks some about it, and she does have her address in there. So send her a card if you can. Even if you don't know her, it's just some encouraging words would be nice. A pretty picture, a pretty card would be really nice. So we're just all praying for you, Alice Lynn, and we want you to know that. And just love you, and will do my best to do what I can to help support you. So y'all, please go see her. And also Just Jessica and Beauty and More with Renee, if you don't know them, go check them out too. They've been friends of mine for a long time, these ladies. We want to do what we can to lift Alice Lynn's spirits. I mean, she really, she's a strong lady, and she's in a good frame of mind. So that's really good. So I do want to tell you, though, I don't have a lot of makeup on my eye. I've had a sty in my eye, and it's getting better, but I can't really put on some eyeliner. But I'm a little puffy over here, but it's no big deal. And Camille has been not home for a few days. She's been at the hospital because she was spayed this week. She is 6 months old and time to be spayed. And I thought it was best for her not to come home. You can come home the next day, but she is so rambunctious, and all she does is tumble with the boys and race through this house like a maniac. And it's really hard for me to contain her. I could put her in the bathroom. When she was a kitten, it was easy to put her in the bathroom, when I wasn't at home. But it's very difficult now. She doesn't like to be held. It's hard to catch her. And I just thought it would be best for her to rest. And she's getting a lot of love from the people there. They love her. I check on her every day, and they tell me she's doing fantastic, and they are loving all over her. So she's probably very happy. So I miss her. She's coming home tomorrow, so I miss her. But hopefully, I'm hoping, I don't know. She never went into heat that I know of. I don't think so, because usually you can tell they're a little crazy. She's already crazy enough without it. So I'm hoping she's growing up and she'll calm down some. And she does still have her soft paws on, and she's doing fantastic with them. Some cats, I've seen them, when we put them on at the vet, and they just go right and take them right off. And some don't do well. Some, don't like them. And you don't want to do anything that's going to aggravate your cats, because they have enough, things like that. Just, you don't want to make them crazy. But she never really had much of she didn't have a problem with them when they first went on. She came home, and I have this mat in front of the kitchen sink you know, a big wide mat that, you know, when a cushion kind of thing. So when you stand on it, it's supposed to help you, you know, with cooking and washing dishes and whatever, you know, help your feet. And she would go over there in the morning and scratch. And I don't care if she ruined that rug, because it's like, was 15 bucks at Walmart. It's not a big deal. Of course, I don't want her to ruin anything, but it's better that she does that than to rip up a chair or something like that. And she does use the scratching posts in the house, so that's very good. But the first morning she went over there and she went to do it, and it didn't do, and she sort of looked at her paws and looked at the rug, and then she just walked away. So she didn't seem upset. So she's been really good with them. So, and they're still all on her. They will stay on for, they say, about a month, up to 6 weeks. And what you do is, like, it's like me with my Dashing Divas on. If one falls off, I put another one on. So with her, if one falls off, you just put another one on. So we'll see. I'm hoping that when she is more mature and she calms down a little bit, that she won't need them at all, and she'll be like the boys. You know, when they're kittens, that's what they do. They scratch, they bite, and you know, hopefully they grow out of that. So hopefully she will. And I've made a few shorts here lately. You know, YouTube doesn't tell you guys that I have, if you are subscribed to me and the bell is on, then you get a notification that I had a video come out. It doesn't tell you that I've done shorts, and it doesn't tell you about the community tab. So check those things out if you have time. You know, go check them out if you don't mind. And let's see. I wanted to also tell you about the Kate Somerville mystery box that I got, that I showed a day or two ago. That box was $20, but you had to pay for shipping. I didn't pay for shipping because I bought something from Kate Somerville so that I wouldn't have to pay shipping, because I'm not paying, it was $8 shipping. I'm not paying $8. I'd rather take it as a coupon against something that I want, and that's what I did. And then also, I used Rakuten. When I shop, I always use Rakuten if it is something that the store will accept. And so I will get money back on what I bought. And right now, if you've ever thought about Rakuten, if you are interested in Rakuten at all, I have a link below. Rakuten, I did not believe it at first, but I'm telling y'all, I get money from Rakuten. And once you join, you will have a link that you can share with your family and friends. You don't have to have a channel to do that. But right now, they've started their $40 bonuses. They give you, normally, if you sign up, whoever you sign up under, whether it's me or, well, take me for example, if you sign up under me, you get $30 after your first purchase. And then they send me $30. Isn't that nice? So thank you if you join up under me. A few of you have. I appreciate that. But right now they have a $40 bonus. And I think what they've done the last couple of years is they run that through Christmas time. Now, they might not run it the whole entire time. They might run it for a couple of weeks and then take it away and then come back to it around Black Friday. I'm not really sure. You know, they don't necessarily have specific times of the year that they do it. But how that works then is if you sign up, you get $40, and the person you sign up under you gets $40. So you just get that. And I think you have to spend $40 or $30, depending on, you know, which it is, at one of the stores. And there's so many. It does not work with Amazon, but it works with so many. Walmart, I mean, it works with Walmart. It works with, you know, a lot of stores like Kate Somerville, Old Navy, Sephora. No, maybe not Sephora, does it? Yeah, it works with Sephora, and it works with Ulta. It works with many stores. You can go and look first, and it's just, it doesn't cost you anything. You buy what you buy, and you get a percentage back. So if you spend $100, for example, and the store has 1%, which Walmart does, you get 1% back. So you get $1 back. I know that's not much, but over time it adds up. If you shop at Sephora, maybe it's 4%, for example, let's say, then you would get $4 back if you spend $100. Like, that's how it works. And they also they'll send you emails. They have different times of the year. Quite often, they have extra. They have 10% off instead of the regular 2 or 4% off or whatever the case might be. So it's, you know, watch your emails. If you're thinking of buying something and you don't need it immediately, then, you know, make yourself a note, and then when it goes to 10%, buy it, and then you'll get more money back. So anyway, I don't want to spend too much time on that. I did want to just tell you that I did use that when I shopped at Kate Somerville. Hey, Blue, you've come up to see me. Good to see you, lovey. Oh, you're cold. You're cold. So anyway, today, I meant to say this earlier. Fab Fit Fun. What do you think of the sale? If you have not done it yet, if you are a Fab Fit Fun annual member, stop watching right now. Turn this video off and go customize if you have not done it yet, because it's customization day. And you should have done it earlier today, but go ahead and do it, and come back and see the rest of the video if you don't mind. But it's customization day. So I thought this was a good quarter. I like the winter box. I haven't really loved Fab Fit Fun in a couple of seasons. I thought it was fantastic that they had a ton of choices. So I'm very happy about that. The sale for annual started yesterday. Now, if you're a quarterly member, seasonal they call it, then your customization day is a few weeks away. But if you are an annual, you can be shopping now. And I was disappointed, y'all. See, we've been talking, you know, Ipsy has a sale every single day. Fab Fit Fun has a lot of sales. But this add-on sale, prices are high. And Ipsy's prices have gone up. You know, Ipsy Boxy, the Mega Drop Shop, has not been so fabulous. That's still going on, by the way. Also, I've gotten a few things. I'll show them to you here soon. But if you have not, I mean, if you go in there and things that used to be $8 or $10 are now like $18 to $22. So it's a little disheartening. But, and a lot of us were blaming Ipsy, but maybe it's not Ipsy's fault. And maybe it is some of it, yeah. But the price, as we know, the price of everything has gone up. And with Fab Fit Fun showing prices that have really been raised. So I don't know. Are those cheap days gone forever? I hope not. I hope they'll come back someday. I hope that when the economy changes, maybe for the better. I don't really know, y'all. But so make sure that you customize if you are an annual member. And did I get everything? I think that might have been about what I got going on. I do have a couple of giveaways going on. I want a giveaway so you can win a giveaway. That's going on. And my treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And I may have a hidden treasure in there somewhere along the way, so take a look for that. The only way you can find those is if you watch my videos. So I think that's about it, y'all. So it's been very quiet here at my house. We've been having beautiful weather, beautiful weather. It was supposed to rain today, but it did not. It did not. It was just beautiful. So we do probably need rain, you know, but it's chilly overnight, chilly in the morning. When I leave, I have to put the heat on in the car, and then it gets to where you don't even need a jacket in the afternoon. It's 72. It's been like that. So it's just been very beautiful. I think in the next either 7-day or 10-day forecast, we have a day or two in the low 80s. So it's been a very beautiful fall. So once it started, it took a while to get started, but once it started, it's been pretty nice. So I hope that y'all are enjoying your weather. And Blue, you want to say hey? See his pretty little face, y'all. He's happy. He's happy that no one's aggravating him. What you got going on? He's got a little something. He's got this, I don't know, something's on his right there. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend. And I hope that you get a lot accomplished this weekend and have a great time. I'm going to a baby shower on Sunday. Yet again, it's like there's something in the water here. There's all these babies being born, but that should be fun. So you all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.